Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now tap on the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations, and on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Now you can select vibration intensity, and by swiping left or right on those two sliders, adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations and notification ones. Then tap on this darker area at the top, scroll all the way down, hit ringtone, and tap on vibration. Now you need to pick one of those options. You can synchronize your vibrations with ringtone, select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls, or disable them completely by tapping on No Vibration. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, go back and tap on Haptics and Tones. By selecting this switcher next to System Haptics, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. If you decide to enable it, you can also adjust intensity by swiping left or right on Haptic Intensity slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!